We are the Rizki-Produkt official TV, advocates of comprehensive reformation in the Gambia, streaming our contents from the heart of Banjul City in the Gambia. This is a multi-part series video content focusing on the concept of the economic multiplier in the context of the Gambia's open economy. Here's a breakdown of the main points. What do we mean when one calls the Gambia an open economy? The Gambia is considered an open economy because it engages in international trade, importing and exporting goods and services. This contrasts with a closed economy, which does not engage in foreign trade. What is the importance of timely domestic investment? The Gambia has a lot at stake with its domestic investment strategy. If it fails to invest properly in key sectors, it risks economic losses. However, successful investments in highly productive sectors can drive significant gains. What are the key productive sectors that need urgent investment? Several industries are identified as crucial for the Gambia's economic growth, job creation, and global competitiveness. These include 1. Manufacturing. 2. Information technology and software development. 3. Telecommunications. 4. Finance and banking. 5. Energy and utilities. 6. Agriculture and agroforestry. 7. Logistics and transportation. 8. Pharmaceuticals and biotechnology. 9. E-commerce and retail. 10. Media and entertainment. Now let us look at the multiplier effect when timely investments are made in all these mentioned industries. When investments are made in these high productivity sectors, they create a multiplier effect, where 1 unit of investment generates more than 1 unit of output. The idea is that investments in these sectors will lead to greater overall production, efficiency, and economic growth for the Gambia with the same or fewer resources. This explanation highlights how the Gambia's economy could benefit from targeted investment in productive sectors, leveraging the open economy for long-term growth. Let's break down the multiplier effect and its significance in the context of the Gambia's open economy, particularly with regard to the key sectors mentioned. What is the multiplier effect and why is it so crucial in the Gambia's economic growth? The multiplier effect refers to how an initial investment or spending in the economy can lead to a greater increase in overall economic activity. Essentially, a change in spending, for example, government investment, business expansion, or foreign direct investment, triggers a series of reactions throughout the economy, increasing the total output by more than the initial amount of investment. So in an open economy like the Gambia, the multiplier is affected by imports and exports. Let us explain how. Some of the income generated will leak out of the domestic economy through imports. To further explain this in simple terms, when a country like the Gambia earns income, some of that money gets spent on goods and services that come from other countries. These are called imports. Think of the economy like a bucket of water. The water represents the money circulating within the country. As people earn money, buy things, and pay for services, they are pouring water into the bucket, keeping the economy full. However, when people buy products made in other countries like foreign cars, electronics, or even food, some of that money leaves the economy, just like water leaking out of a hole in the bucket. This is what we mean by income leaking out through imports. For example, if the Gambia produces and sells a lot of peanuts and earns money, but then uses part of that income to buy phones from abroad, the money that went to buy those phones leaves the Gambia and flows into another country's economy. This leakage means that not all the money earned stays within the Gambian economy to create jobs, build infrastructure, or boost local businesses. In short, the more a country spends on imports, the less money stays in the local economy to support growth. Now let us look at exports and the multiplier effect in the Gambian economy. Exports can boost the multiplier by bringing in additional income from abroad. Let us deliberate on this. Imagine the Gambia is like a big store. When the Gambia exports, sells, goods to other countries, like peanuts, fish, or crafts, it's like the store making sales to customers outside of town. Every time it sells something abroad, new money flows into the economy. This is important because the extra money from exports doesn't just help the businesses that sell the goods. It also spreads throughout the economy. For example, 1. The peanut farmer earns money from exports and then spends it at local shops. 2. The shop owners, in turn, spend their earnings on other local services like transportation or education. This cycle repeats, creating more income and jobs for others in the economy. This is called the multiplier effect. Exports boost the multiplier because the money from other countries keeps the economy growing by circulating within it, supporting many more businesses and workers. So, more exports mean more income coming in from outside, which helps grow the economy and create more opportunities for everyone. What other denominators do impact the multiplier effect? 1. Marginal propensity to consume. This measures how much of the additional income people will spend domestically. 2. The higher the marginal propensity to consume, the larger the multiplier. 3. Marginal propensity to save. The portion of additional income that is saved rather than spent. A lower marginal propensity to save leads to a larger multiplier since more income is reinvested into the economy.